In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gantt View in Smartsheet. If you're new to project timelines, the Gantt View is a visual way to see how tasks line up over time, where they overlap, and how a change in one task affects the rest of your plan. Start by opening Smartsheet and then open the specific project sheet you want to view as a timeline. For the Gantt chart to work, your sheet needs start date and end date columns. If you don't see them, add or rename columns so each task has a clear beginning and end. That information is what powers the timeline. Next, switch to Gantt View using the button at the top of your sheet. You'll still have your familiar grid on the left, and the timeline will appear on the right. This side-by-side layout makes it easy to edit details in the grid and instantly see those changes reflected in the chart. Now, enter start and end dates for each row. As soon as you do, Smartsheet draws a Gantt bar for that task. You'll notice that bars stretch to match the duration you set. This makes it simple to spot long tasks, short tasks, and gaps at a glance. To refine your schedule, adjust the timeline directly. Drag the right or left edge of a bar to change a task's duration. Drag the entire bar left or right to move the task to earlier or later dates. Every change you make in the timeline syncs immediately with the dates in the grid, so your data stays consistent. Quick note: if you're getting started with Smartsheet, there's a link at the top of the description that takes you to the website so you can sign up or log in easily. To model the order of work, add dependencies. Right-click a task row and choose Edit Predecessors. Select the task that must happen first. When tasks are linked this way, Smartsheet will automatically shift dependent tasks if a predecessor moves, keeping your schedule realistic without manual updates. For higher level structure, use hierarchy. Indent rows to group related tasks into phases. The parent row becomes a summary with a roll-up bar, while child tasks contribute to the overall phase timeline. This helps you see both the big picture and the details. Customize the view by opening Project Settings. Set working days, enable or adjust dependency settings, and choose how dates behave around weekends or holidays. Use the zoom controls to switch between days, weeks, or months, depending on the level of detail you need. When you're ready to collaborate, share the sheet with your team. Everyone can view real-time updates on the Gantt chart, and you can use comments to discuss timeline changes directly on specific tasks. Gantt View in Smartsheet gives you a clear, dynamic timeline for planning, tracking, and adjusting your projects with confidence. Thanks for watching.